Welcome back everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing and go over the new Ryobi Dremel tool. Hit that intro. Let's unbox the new Rotary tool from Ryobi. Let's see what we get in this bad boy. This is model P460 18 volt rotary tool. Comes with a little pack of accessories, directions. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, fancy. This is model P460 Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt rotary tool with variable speeds up to 34,000 RPMs, 36-inch flexible shaft with a small pen design. Now I do like the pen design, or foredom, whatever you want to call it. It's very ergonomic. You can get in there and do some fine detailed work. I do like that feature. On the box, it says, variable speeds up to 34,000 RPMs for enhanced performance. Integrated keyholes for easy storage on the back. Hang it on the wall. Accessories here. It does come with this little nifty wrench. This is the lock button here to lock it from rotating, so you just kind of hold that, loosen it up, pop in your accessory, twist it. Your little wrench, tighten her down, put it back in this slick little storage. Now you're about to hear why I don't like this. Okay, it's on low, medium, and high. You hear that? That is the loudest Dremel tool I've ever heard in my life. I have an old Black & Decker Dremel tool which I've had for 15 years and it's not that loud. I've also tested out the new Dremel stuff and it's way quieter than that. So because of the fact that it sounds like an airplane taking off, I'm giving this no stars. I'm very neutral on it. Especially for $69, it should be quieter because that's on par price with the top of the line Dremel tools. Let me get a little piece of metal here. I'll show you how well it actually cleans some stuff off here. Get my safety gogglers. If this is all you have is Ryobi stuff, I mean, it will get the job done. I'm not bashing Ryobi. It's just loud as heck. For the top of the line, well, for the price, I'd expect it to be a little bit more quiet. All right, let's turn it on and just kind of clean up this metal. I just got my sanding thing here. This is kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? Not microfiber. What is this stuff called? Whatever. Turn on medium. There you go. Work down to the nubbies. These are pretty cheap. I think I got a pack of 100 of them for like $10. Not even. So I'll clean the rust off the metal pretty well. Big truck going by. See where I cleaned here? Rust. Works pretty well. It's just loud. It's lightweight. I mean, whole thing weighs a couple pounds. It does have spots for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 36 storage slots on it, but these are bigger wheels, so you can kind of fit them 2x2 like that. It does come with this fancy little kit. Has some nice cut off discs and whatnot in here. Some sanding drums, some polishing pads. Actually even comes with a little thing of polishing compound, buffing compound, whatever you want to call it. These little things are nice for the cutoff wheels. Let's pop on one of these diamond tips and see how this works. Again, take your little tool, pop it off, loosen it up. That's garbage. Pop in the little diamond tip. Now you want to make sure you tighten these down pretty well, because you don't want one of these little bits flying out at you. Become little shrapnel pretty quick. There you go. Ow. What I noticed is that this pen heats up and actually gets pretty hot if you're doing a lot of work on high speed. See if these cutoff wheels are any good. Make sure that's nice and tight. I know this is too thick, I just want to see if it'll work. Works pretty good. Now this is way too thick of steel for this Dremel tool. What I primarily got it for is like when I make knives, I can sit there and I can put in the jimping on the back. You guys can see that. You gotta do that freehand with the file, or with these little sanding pads I can clean up around right here on the knife. So that's primarily what I got it for, is to clean up the details when I'm making knives. This is just a big camp chopper I'm making. I think it's a beast. Weighs like, let's see, say 14 ounces. Ooh, 1 pound, 2 ounces. It's a beast. 7-inch blade on there, but you know, have that bad boy camping. You can use it to baton, split wood. Anyways, the video is about the tool, not the knives I make. So if you're thinking, well, at least it comes with all the accessories, you can get these accessory kits really cheap. You can get a full accessory Dremel kit, bigger than this, for $20. So you figure the tool plus this, you know, 70 bucks. I mean, it's not too bad of a deal. On off, store your accessories. Total RPM is 34,000, is 2.65 pounds. $69.99 at the Home Depot, 90-day money-back guarantee. Yeah, so it's not bad. For entry-level tool, maybe I will give it, no, I'm neutral. No thumbs up on this, I'm very neutral. $70, it should be a little bit more quiet. I mean, listen to that. See how loud that is? Edit. There you go, guys. Hope you liked that quick little review of the Ryobi rotary tool. It's not bad. 2.6 pounds. Slap the battery in it. Got multiple hanging options if you want to hang it up on the wall. I'm neutral. I give you no thumbs up, no thumbs down. Neutral. $70. It's super, super loud. I just wish it was quieter. Anyways, guys, I'm almost up to 3,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. Right now, I think I'm at 2922. Amazing. You guys are freaking awesome. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Alright, everyone. Have a blessed day. Until next time, see ya!